Gavin Naraki. I'm the fleet manager for Shara Solutions. So we use water trucks at every power plant we work at, and I needed more capacity on a rigid frame truck. Kenworth offered a solution that no other truck manufacturer offers.
I'm Corey Owens with Klein Products. We got to partner with Kenworth and Shara Solutions on this truck to build the first of its kind off-highway style truck. The trapezoidal shaped tank offers lowest center of gravity, safest tank, full visibility. With our tank integrated fenders, it also adds added strength to the tank as well. Inside the tank is many rows of transverse and longitudinal baffles, basically 15 small compartments inside the tank for safety of the water slosh back and forth. Everything on here is custom designed for the application which it was intended for. It's made to work in the harshest, most adverse terrain possible. With our heavy-duty off-highway road mounts, our custom-built pumps, our custom-built valves, all that's custom to this job. This truck has our smart spray system to where it runs independent of engine RPM or ground speed. The operator has full control of water capacity, how much he chooses to displace out of the truck at any given time, allowing for water consumption. It allows the driver to use just the amount of water needed for the job. And by running independent of engine RPM and ground speed, it also saves on fuel consumption of the truck.
Klein was able to build a 10,000 gallon tank to fit the Kenworth chassis. So this truck setup allows me to have more capacity on site without buying an articulated water truck. So I'm saving on my operating cost and my owning cost.
There was a need for an efficient water truck at large, in an off-highway environment, large capacity scale. This met that need by offering different spraying solutions with our smart spray system, the operating cost, the maintenance cost. And so we were able to cover a lot of ground and cover a lot of solutions for Shara with this one C500 and 10,000 gallon tank.
Power plants require zero dust to leave the sites, so it is imperative that we have water trucks operate at every site. We put down millions of gallons of water every day all over the United States. Typically the fill station for the water is not close to where we're putting the water down. So in order to avoid multiple trips back and forth every day, having a larger tank and a larger truck saves us time and money. It will be a solution that we've been looking for years to get more water capacity on sites for less money. So the hope is that this truck works wonders here and we're able to duplicate it across the United States. Kenworth is the only manufacturer that's willing to do this at the factory level without putting aftermarket add-ons on the truck. Klein is the manufacturer that we've partnered with over the years that builds the most durable, longest lasting tanks. I had the idea a year ago after we received our C500 dump trucks, why couldn't we put a water tank on the C500 Kenworth cab and chassis? And so I called Kenworth and then I called Klein and they came up with a solution. We were able to put a 10,000 gallon tank on this truck. Very excited that Shara Solutions is the first company in the world to own and operate one of these trucks. And I'm excited to be a part of the first one in the world, absolutely. It's a pleasure to work with Palmer Trucks, the Kenworth dealer, and it's a pleasure to work with Kenworth Corporation from an engineering standpoint, and it's a pleasure to work with Klein. Shara partners with these companies because they offer the solution we're looking for.